welcome back to my channel again. Ya, untuk hari ini, this video I make this makeup look tutorial. So it's like daily makeup, Korean makeup. It's very soft and just really nice to have this when you just really want to have very quick makeup. And this is the video I share with you guys. If you like my video, you can give me thumbs up. If you don't like, you can give me thumbs down, but please give me the reason why. And I want you guys, what do you think? What's your opinion about this my video? And please help me with subscribe, and you can comment down below what do you think about this video, this tutorial. If you have your own channel, I can directly check on your YouTube channel. Just comment down below what do you think about this makeup look, and stay tuned. Happy watching.
Hey guys, I'm using MAC lotion this time. If you have primer, you also can using primer. I just using my hand to blend everywhere around my face so all my skin not so dry. And then for the next, I'm using makeover for the foundation, and I just palm it like that, and I will blend it, use my own brush. And normally I like using the brush instead of sponge or using my hand, because for me it's really huge difference between using the brush, hand or sponge. And for using the sponge, sometimes it's just the foundation stuck a lot on the sponge. It's kind of really wasted. And then now I'm gonna make my eyebrow. I'm using gel brow pomade this time, and all you need to do is just brush, make sure all your hair brow it's really in a good shape. And I'm using MAC brush number 302. So I'm gonna make some line from downside until to the end. And then for the next step, I just make the line from the middle and then make it the wings. I'm joining together from the first line, and then I'm start filling in, yeah, and just fill the gap where really look like empty. And I'm using this MAC 24-hour fix, so to make it nicer, even look more smooth, and using the same brush, just different size. And for the next step, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow. I'm using Wardah eyeshadow, because since this kind of Korean, very soft natural, just put some slightly orange color on my eyelid from the corner. Yeah, as you can see from how I apply the eyeshadow, it's just the same with left side or right side. Make sure don't just put so much or so thick, but you just apply bit by bit. And I'm going to use my fingers. I'm using another color, it's kind of gold color. Just apply on my eyelid from the front part, and yeah, just like that, so it's look really soft and natural. And here I'm using Maybelline Super Power Black by Maybelline for my eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner ever I have, and I love this. Is my favorite eyeliner, guys. If you really may be interested to have or where you can buy in Europe, I trying to go many cosmetic store. I never found this, but I think you can get this in Amazon. But if you guys living in Asia, especially Hong Kong and Macau, you can get this in Sasa. And here we go, the most gorgeous laces ever. I'm using Luna laces, and you can check on the website www.lunalaces.com for more shopping. And you also can use the code, my code Anna, all capital ANNA, number 10 without space. Then you can get 10% discount. And there's so many Luna laces model. If you want to go party, you just want to do for daily makeup, there's a lot of choice laces that you can use it. This time I'm using Zoe Luna laces. This is so freaky light and so thin, I don't even feel it wearing the laces. So yeah, here you guys, as you can see, I'm blending all with my makeup powder, so my foundation not really shiny or glowing, so I just cover up with this makeup powder. And then for the next step, I'm gonna put some highlight, and this time I'm using Laura Mercier. Just put some highlight on my nose. As you can see, I have piggy nose, so yeah, at least my nose can see not really piggy nose, you know, little bit sharper. I wish I can have sharper nose just like my husband. And yeah, for the next step, I'm gonna put some bronzer. Yeah, as you can see, it's really missing or gone. Yeah, the other day I just dropped my makeup, my eyeshadow all drop on the floor and they are broken. It's just really break my heart. And yes guys, this is how I do for shading for my nose. So just using kind of flat brush, whatever you brush, the brush you have, you can use. I just using a flat brush. So for the next step, I'm just gonna blend some those highlight and the bronzer in between, so not really look so harsh or so dark. And for the next step, I'm gonna use this bronzer to apply on my cheekbone, and I always choose not too dark so your cheekbone can look better. If you have blush on like orange color, even you're not using those bronzer, it's just perfect. And yeah, make sure you apply on your forehead as well, so it's look more natural. And I'm using this kind of my makeup sponge. I just putting on my under eyes or eyes bag, whatever you call. You also can use concealer if you like, but I don't really like using concealer because it's too bright for me. I just using this makeup powder. It's really it have the same result. And as you can see now, my eyelashes, the glue is already dry, so I'm gonna put some orange or any eyeshadow you like, but since my eyeshadow is orange color, I just put some on my corner of my eyes, the corner of my eyes, using those orange eyeshadow the first time I apply on my eyelid. And I'm gonna apply some highlight on my front or the corner of my eyes so can see a little bit better. And also applying underneath my eyebrow, it's really make you huge difference, especially on the eyeshadow, can look more pop out and really bright. And yeah, mascara, I'm using Maybelline. This is also, I adore this Maybelline so much because really good and also waterproof. And also using mascara, it's really help you or make your laces more value, or can see the volume of the laces, and it's really nice, looks so good and natural. So between your real laces and those laces, fake laces, whatever you call, it's joined together, stick together. And yeah, if you have your own mascara for the eyebrow, you can apply some eyebrow as well, but if not, you're just using those mascara. And this time I'm using Wardah lip cream. I'm just using very soft pink, so can look really natural. And I love this kind of lipstick because not feel so thick and so heavy. If you guys, you can, yeah, you buy wherever you can check on online or in Indonesia. And yeah, I think this is the makeup look for today, and I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Dadah!